Get ready. Start after 5 seconds. Start. The government of India is to ensure our economy against these natural calamities, and I think we have started getting some results. Full stop. For instance, the main highlights of last year's agricultural economy are that though there has been a drought, for instance, Gujarat is a very important state both from the point of view of groundnut as also cotton, but this year the general level of cotton production is so high in the country that despite very severe drought conditions, if we try to analyze and look deep into the matter, we find that the general level of production has increased. Full stop. Whatever the problems which are coming up as a result of more production, we shall face them and try to find some solution. Full stop. I am glad that some of the members have very emphatically brought to our notice some of the problems because of more production of these commodities. Full stop. In fact, what I was submitting were the positive aspects. Full stop. Despite this, that this year was not a very normal year. Full stop. This year in half of Madhya Pradesh there was very severe drought during the Kharif season, and then Odisha is in drought as also Tamil Nadu, and about Gujarat I have already mentioned. Full stop. I have mentioned our achievements in cotton. Full stop. It is not confined to cotton alone. Full stop. Though the final figures and the final estimates would be available much later, we have some common sense judgment and also the advice of our experts, and sir, this country is going to see this year one of the record productions in wheat. Full stop. Wheat production went down after 1972 because there was a power shortage. Full stop. There were some difficulties in regard to fertilizers. Full stop. But the main season is the Rabi season. Full stop. Winter season was absolutely dry. Full stop. As I have already mentioned, 54% of the acreage under wet wheat is irrigated and 46% is unirrigated. Full stop. Naturally, when there are no winter rains, it makes all the difference. Full stop. But this year, despite the high level of fertilizer prices, there were favorable winter rains, and as a result of the efforts of the state government and various other agencies. Full stop. Now I think and I am likely to be proved very much correct. It is my assessment that we are likely to produce more than 27 million tons of wheat this year, which this country has never seen, full stop. Then if we take the total Rabi production, it is not wheat alone, it is a number of other crops also. This year is going to make the history, full stop. As soon as a favorable season is there with human effort, I anticipated record production, full stop.